I really feel like I need to see it on someone else. And then I can sit back and be like, okay, that's what it looks like. My name is Milkyway. I'm 27 years old. My name, Milkyway, and then my sister name Galaxy is a translation of our Vietnamese names.
Hello, nice to meet you. Beautiful names. So, wedding dresses, what do you have in mind?
So I wanted something with a sweetheart neckline, something fitted, something that's really unique. I've seen a lot of pretty dresses, but I want something that looks really different. I am a serial shopper, and I want to have that feeling. So even when I find a dress and I feel like it's the one, I kind of like to shop around to see what else is out there.
Have you been dress shopping yet, or is this your first?
No, I've been to about 8 stores. Yeah.
She's very indecisive, and she will take years to make any kind of decision. She needs help.
And let's find the dress, please.
Yes, today's the day.
Are you guys done?
Yeah.
What? I'm not.
We have a term in the store. It's called Code Dolly. This is our special code for a bride who loves to try on dresses, but isn't really looking to find one. And I'm really worried that Milkyway is a Code Dolly.
So I forgot to mention I'm not a big fan of Empire waists.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that one is probably a bit too much. This one, I'm not a big fan of the taffeta.
Okay.
It is really important for me to have the moment when I find the dress. It'll be that moment in time where there's no other dress, this is it. That one's nice, I'd have to try it on.
I agree.
Yeah.
Milkyway is indecisive and she knows it, which is sort of dangerous because it means she's fine with having no idea what she wants.
Yeah.
It's pretty,
but
I
that's
don't
not
love
you.
it. If I was gonna rate it, I'd give it like a 7.
It looks a little bit like 5 years ago.
I've demoted it to a 6. The more I look at it, the less I like it. It's just moving towards hatred, so.
What?
This dress is definitely not a contender. It shouldn't have even been on her in the first place. Ooh, I like.
Milkyway.
This is the one.
Okay, wait for this. Ready?
I love it.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
If she doesn't pick it, she's crazy, out of her mind, and I will kill her when she gets home.
Seems like everyone really loves it. And I really like it, but I don't know if it's the one for me.
She must be on crack or something.
Oh my God, Milky, you'd be crazy not to take this one. Yeah. This is so nice.
I really feel like I need to see it on someone else. And then I can sit back and be like, okay, that's what it looks like.
Who is our candidate slash
Okay,
victim?
Milky Way pick. Clearly not me, so.
Maybe someone that's more my body size. How about Yachty? I'd like to see it on Yachty.
If it helps you, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
I would do it.
I think Galaxy might be a little hurt that she didn't get to try on the dress. However, I felt it was more important that I see it on someone that would be able to pull off the dress more.
Why bother having your friend try the dress on for you? She looks nothing like you. You have to fall in love with how a dress looks on you and how it feels on you, not your friend.
Yeah, it does look really good on you.
See?
The bottom is nice, how it, right here, how
Yeah.
it kind
You
of...
like this, crisscross?
crisscross,
I like that too.
I'm looking at the dress and I feel like I should love it, but I'm not convinced yet. Could I take a look at all the other dresses myself to see what else is out there?
All of them? Milkyway is easily one of the pickiest brides I've worked with, not just in what she doesn't want, but in what she's demanding of me as well. Here, follow me into the vault. We'll take a dig through.
Okay.
So, dress that's actually quite out of your budget. It's a $4,000 dress.
I don't like it anyways.
Oh, well, there you go.
Too little, probably too much bling. Reminds me of a handkerchief. What does the bottom of that one look like?
This one? And these flowers are all removable if you don't like them. Contender?
Yeah.
Okay,
try
good.
that on.
Good. I'm gonna keep this one on the short list. Do you wanna walk through the store as well?
Sure.
Okay, let's go. Very couture.
The no-no.
The no-no, okay, good to know. Good to know. We've got princess, we've got drop waist.
No, I don't like it.
Great.
No. It's too boring.
Too boring?
Yeah. Looks like tissue paper, scrunched up.
This one's too blingy, this one's too long, this one's too short.
No. Yeah, I don't really like it. No.
No.
No. No.
No?
No, not a fan.
I am going to strangle her. The one or two that we found in the vault are our best bets if we want to keep trying on dresses. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah?
I'd like to
Okay.
try them on.
Let me grab them.
Okay.
I'll meet you back in the dressing room. I need this moment like I need air to breathe. I need it like I need water and food and shelter. I need her to have a moment.
I don't know if I would keep the strap. I might remove it.
Yeah, let's see it without the strap.
It's better without.
better without.
What do you guys think?
I just want to make sure you like it because it doesn't really matter what we think at the end of the day.
I love the flowers on the shoulder.
It balances out that part really.
Oh, yeah, totally.
It bustles so well.
Yes.
Have the moment. Please, woman, have the moment. So dare we ask?
You can ask her.
Milky Way,
Yes.
is this your perfect dress?
Yes, it is my perfect dress. I am so excited to have found the dress. I thought it was gonna take a lot longer. I didn't think I was gonna find it today.